Struggling to navigate your UPSC preparation? Overwhelmed by endless resources, tough competition and no clear roadmap? Say goodbye to the confusion. VisionIAS Jaipur's GS Foundation course 2026 is here to simplify your journey. Starting from 18th February at 7:30 am and 5 pm. Key features of the course: Delhi's expert faculty guiding you right here in Jaipur. Personalized mentorship to focus on your unique needs. Comprehensive syllabus coverage with structured lessons. Advanced test series for real-time performance tracking. Prepare smarter, not harder. With proven strategies, focused guidance and complete support, your IAS dream is within reach. Turn confusion into clarity with VisionIAS Jaipur. Your path to UPSC success begins here. To know more or register, visit our website or call us on the given numbers.